Hey, here's a good example of Performance Unlimited. This happens to be one of our 420 version engines. We don't build a lot of them, but here's one. This thing just got done dynoing about 450 horsepower, 430 foot-pounds of torque. We do a beautiful job here. Our hearts go into these engines. We build beautiful engines. Everything is custom built in-house. What we do is we start off with a bare block, put a nice Eagle rotating assembly, nice hydraulic roller cam. We finish it off with Edelbrock heads, nice aluminum valve covers, Edelbrock intake. This gentleman chose an Endura Shine intake. This gentleman also put the March Serpentine kit on here. All of our engines come with MSD Pro Billet distributors. Again, like I said, each and every engine can be custom built your way. We can custom paint them if you like. Again, we find it very simple. Customer calls us up, wants something, we design it, get all of the numbers we want to do on it, put it together, and you have a beautiful package. So again, here at Performance Unlimited, we try to strive to make the customer happy and do it his way. You got something in mind, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Enjoy the video. Thank you.
Welcome back to Proformance Unlimited here in Melbourne, Florida. Currently Chevy 350 on the dyno, rated at 420 horsepower. It's going into a 79 Oldsmobile.